Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, we're going to talk about how to set advanced hidden file properties in Excel workbooks. And right here, this is going to be a very quick tutorial. I have right here a sample table. It doesn't matter if you have a table, a context, or any other content inside your workbook, as long as it can be inside Excel. So the first thing you want to do for this one is go to File, go for Info. Once you're in Info, you're going to see the properties right there. You have size, titles, tags, categories, and so much more. Now I want you to click on the drop down. Click on Advanced Properties, and you're going to see this one. You're going to have so much sections for General, Summary, Statistics, Contents, and Custom. Now let's discuss all of the things here. Starting from General. So General basically gives you general information about your files. You have type, location, size, up to access. Now I know right here that the name of the file is Animal Kingdom, as you can see on the left part right there. However, you can still rename it separately for the title. Just call it Animal World for this one. And then for the subject, let's just call it Tutorial Videos. You can name everything here. The author, I'm just going to call it Tutorial. And then for the manager, I can just name it, let's just again call it Tutorialboxx. For the company, I'm going to name it YouTube. For category, I'm gonna name it, let's just go for animal. Keywords, I'm gonna go for animals again. Comments, this is gonna be depending on your liking. For example, content is about animals. Hyperlink base, I'm gonna leave it as it is. And you can save thumbnails for all Excel documents by simply clicking on this button. Now for statistics, this is basically what happened inside the document. The content gives you an outline. For example, in a worksheet, you have one sheet of Animal Kingdom. And for the custom, of course, you can name, for example, you can check by, add a client, date completed, department, destination, and so much more. For example, for check by, under value, let's just name this one Tutorialboxx. That means this Excel workbook has been checked by Tutorialboxx. Simply click on add, and we have it right there. You can add date completed. You can choose a date, text, number, or yes or no. For this one, let's just name this one January 1st, 2021. Now after adding the date completed, it's going to be right there, just under the check by. And right now, once you click on OK for this one, you're going to see the thing you edited. For example, the author, the last modified, the tags, the categories, the title is going to be right there. If you click on Show All Properties for this one, this is what you're going to have. Pretty awesome, right? And basically that's it. That's how you edit your advanced features in Excel workbooks. This goes for all Excel workbooks again. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.